Here, live in Studio 1A this morning, Charlie's here with his 5 sisters and their mom and dad. It's the first time they've been together since last summer. From America's Vet Dogs, everybody, good morning. Nice to see you. This is overwhelming for some of us who see Charlie every day to realize he's got such a big family. Olivia, I've asked you a million. Walk us through. Let's go ahead and let's start with Mocha.
Yeah, okay. So this is Mocha. We have Crema, Kona, Java, Cappy, Ozzy, and Quinta. Ozzy and Quinta are the proud parents, and then the rest are his sisters.
Ozzy and Quinta.
Good boy.
And so, like Charlie, everybody is going to be in the service business, these dogs?
Yeah, so we actually have an interesting situation here. So we have a split. Quinta and Ozzy had 6 puppies. 3 of them are training to be service dogs for veterans, and 3 of them are training to be guide dogs for the blind. So Charlie's not the only one with a sister. America's Vet Dogs has a sister organization called Guide Dog Foundation, and all of these dogs are working hard.
Give us an update on Charlie. How has he been? Where is he in his progress?
He is right on track, Retrieval. And would you like a demonstration
I would love a
of it?
demonstration,
All right,
yeah.
awesome.
If I can do anything to help, let me know.
All right, Charlie, we're going to set this.
Charlie, good boy.
Good job.
Aren't you guys proud of your brother? He's amazing. They're also well behaved.
Yeah.
So Charlie's tracking well.
Charlie's tracking well, and his sister puppies are following the same training curriculum, so they're doing very
Where are they
similar
along
things.
with his?
Yeah, so they're right on track,
Okay.
and they're doing great.
Progress is good. You guys
Yeah.
mic'd? I'm not sure if you're all mic'd.
No.
Okay, no, not at all. So there's Ozzy's the dad down there.
Yeah.
Quinta's the mom.
You got it.
And you said that maybe Quinta might recognize some of the kids here.
Correct. So they spent 6 weeks together before they were weaned from their mother. So potentially she remembers their scent and their personalities because she spent so much time with them.
Oh, good. It's good to have you all here. I'm
Yeah.
glad. What's the family reunion going to do now? Does everybody go to Central Park and continue to sniff each other and hang out? How's this work?
Maybe we'll have milk bones for all.
All right, good. Good little family reunion. Thank
Yep.
you all. We appreciate all the work that you guys are doing as well.